In this video, I will teach you how to convert units using conversion factor. When we say conversion factor, it is a number that has two different units that allows you to go from one unit to another. The first thing that we need to do is to memorize these prefixes. So we have mega, kilo, hecto, deca, deci, centi, milli, micro, and nano. Now these are the symbols. For mega, we have capital M, kilo K, hecto H, deca DA. For deci, we have D, centi C, milli M, micro for that, and nano N. So these lines here are what we call the base units. Under these base units, we have here the grams. Its symbol is G. The next, we also have liters. So liters is capital L, then meter for M. These prefixes and symbols are the things that you need to memorize for this topic. Let's have this problem. How many 500 kilometers are there in meter? To simplify this one, it will look like this. To get this one, we will have the given unit multiplied by the desired unit divided by the given unit. In solving this one, the given unit is kilometer, 500 kilometers to be exact. And this meter here is our desired unit. In solving this one, take note that in every 1 kilometer, we have 1,000 meters. Now let's solve this problem. 500 kilometers is our given unit here. Now we will use this one to get our desired unit and given unit on the other side. So our desired unit is meter. We will write here the 1,000 meter, and the given unit we have 1 kilometer. Now let's cancel out the same unit. Then let's solve 500 multiplied by 1,000, then divided by 1. So we have 500,000 meter. Now let's try to convert this another way in converting metric to metric system. All you have to do is to write the prefixes presented on the first part of this video. And take note that it should be in order. Now let's check the unit of the given. So we have kilometer. So this is our given unit. Next is our desired unit, that is meter. So this meter is in the base unit. So we will end here. So in kilo, this will be our starting point. So we have 1, 2, and 3. So we have 3 steps going to the right. In our given unit, we have 500. In this number, our decimal point is located at the end part. So we will start here. Going to the right, we have 1, 2, and 3. Then let's put zeros on the empty spaces. To finalize our answer, let's put it here with its unit. By doing this way, we can still arrive at the same answer with the computations we have done on our first way.